Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, so today I am going to discuss about Hashmap. You have in C++, there is standard template library is there. It standard template library defines various kind of data structures, and it provides the C++ level various kind of data structures, and Hashmap is one of them. So today I am going to discuss about Hashmap. So basically, friends, before going to discuss, I have in my channel you can see various videos I have uploaded related to C++. So you can view these videos as well before going to see these. So here hashmap basically is a map where key value pair data is stored. So the value of the pair is identified with the key. So there are hash map as well as multi-map are there. So where multi-map has multiple keys. But today I'm going to discuss about hash map only. So before going to start, so let's see how it works. So here you can see that hash map. I have included the hash map header here. So to run a hash map, you have to. We normally use structure to insert the data in the hash map. You can insert character variables as well as, but it needs a key and value pair, so that key and value will get stored. So this way we define the header for hash map in Unix or Linux platform. And here I have included the std namespace. So using the namespace std, then I have defined the data structure. For this demo I will use an employee data structure. I will fill the id and name, and I will insert these multiple employee details in the hash map. So here you can see I have defined an hash map object here. It's a global object. So this has to define like this only. So here is my data structure. I have here is my structure. I have employee structure. So the definition of my hash map is like this. So here I have defined a variable, employee structure variable. So after that, I have defined various functions, like for inserting a function, removing a function, then find the record in the hash map. So to insert, so here I have defined my hash map object. To insert an data into the object, you have to call hashmap object dot insert. Then it in pair like this, you have to insert the ID and the structure. So against this ID, it will keep the whole structure inserted. So basically, similarly, if you want to remove a record, you have to find the temp record and you have to erase that record. This is called the iterator. This iterator basically iterates over the hash map with the ID. So this iterator is used for erasing, finding all this, or traversing the hash map. So here if you want to remove a hash map data, you have to call the erase function and you pass the iterator. Similarly, for finding the record, I have defined a function separately. So you can have a employee record dot find, and you pass the ID of that employee. It will give you the employee details in iterator. So let's implement one. So here is my main. So what I am doing is I have already defined an employee structure object emp. So employee.id equal to 1 I am putting, and I'm just copying one name to employee data structure name. So after that I am inserting a record with employee. Then again I am adding another record, and I am inserting the same record in employee data structure. So these two records will get inserted. Now I have used the find function, which I already defined here, a find call record. So find function, I am passing the ID and I am getting the value. iterator value. So to get the value of the iterator structure, it will return me the second employee details as it can find with the key. So ID is the key here. So I have passed the key. So it will give me back the whole data structure of that second record. So I will get the structure in this term called iterator. So the iterator has to define like this as per the C++ uh, definition. We will define the employee iterator like this. So the iterator we got back. So to print that iterator, I have to call it like this. Same call iterator second dot name. Name is my their name is my second parameter of this employee data structure. So here I will print the name. I will find that record and I will print the name. So let's compile this. So to compile this, I have to use the G++. G++ is the C++ compiler in Unix or Linux platform. So here I am compiling it with G++. So it got compiled. It generated a.out object. So I'm just running. So you can see that the name is printed here. It's Raja. So let's see the hash map. So what happens here, I have inserted two records, Praveen and Raja, and I have printed I have find the second record and I have printed the second record name. So let's find the first record now. So first record I am searching and printing the value now. So I am compiling it again. So you can see the name is printed as Praveen because I have searched for first name, first record name. So the hash map can find with the key. It will return you the object of that key in the iterator. So here I have defined the iterator, and after finding, I have printed it. Now let's see how to traverse. Now I have inserted two records. I want to traverse the whole record. Uh, so now I want to traverse the complete hash map. So I have inserted two records. I will print the name of those two employees by traversing the whole hash map. So to traverse the whole hash map, they have a begin function which will set the pointer to the beginning of the hash map. So it will return me the call iterator of the beginning. So in while loop, I am just checking whether it reached the end. So this is my employee object and hashmap object. Hashmap object dot end will give me if it reaches to the end of the hash map. So this way I can traverse the whole hash map and I just has to uh, increment the call iterator. So let's see how it works. So you can see that both the names Praveen and Raja is printed. So, so here you can see I have printed the name of the employee. So it traversing the iterator and it's printing the employee names one by one. So first employee name it printed Praveen, second employee name it printed Raja. So this way I can traverse the whole hash map. So now see how to remove. So for to remove a hash map data, I have already defined a function like this, remove. So what it will do, remove will first find that call record and it will check whether the call record reaches the end or not. If the call record is not found, it will reach the end of the hash map. So in this case I have nothing to delete, but if there is a record found, it will go inside and it will erase that specific data. So specific object it will erase from the hash map. So let's see how it works. So here I am calling the remove function. So here I have inserted two records and I am here calling the remove function. I will remove the second object. Previously when iterating it will printed the two names, but now I am removing the second object and I am traversing the whole list again. So see here, the first name is printed, second name is not printed because I have removed the second name. So while iterating, it just found the second name. Let's now remove the first name. And so you see the first name got printed now. First name is removed, so second name only got printed now. So I have removed the first name, so second name got printed. So this is how the hash map works. So this is a complete example of features of Hashmap. Insert, remove, find, all this traversing the hash map. So this is a complete example of hash map, how it works. So this is a standard template library functions, library objects. So these are extensively used in C++ projects. So guys, try to. These are very useful objects, and these are very fast for traversing, searching, and all this happens very fast. So guys, thanks for watching. So here I just want to remind you that if you like this video, don't forget to like, share this video, and also, you can subscribe to my channel here for further updates. So you can go to any of the video of my channel. There you can see there is subscription option is there. You can go here or you can click here to go to my channel and view more videos related to this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks friends.